Listen, this wig, it's a synthetic wig, okay? I bought this wig in the beauty supply store for 20 bucks, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Great Tay Tay. If it's your first time here, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. So as you can see from the title of this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I installed this wig. Listen, this wig, it's a synthetic wig, okay? I bought this wig in the beauty supply store for 20 bucks, okay? And I mean, I am definitely feeling this wig, so I'm gonna show you guys how I installed it. And I haven't worn a synthetic wig in a very long time, and I saw this wig in the beauty supply store and I'm like, you know what, I have to get it. It was just so cute on the mannequin and I'm like, I wonder if it's gonna look good on me. So I bought it and I'm gonna show you guys how I installed it. This wig, it is like, you can know that it's synthetic wig. It does feel like plastic, but it doesn't really look like synthetic hair, you know what I mean? It's soft. It does shed, you know, it does shed in the hair. It's like, yeah, there's shedding. There is definitely shedding, but it looks cute. I like it. You know, I like it. It's not tangling or anything like that. So, you know, like, I can work with this wig. I can definitely work with this, you know, but obviously it's not gonna last for a long time because it's not human hair, it's synthetic. This is what it looks like, and it's number 2. Yeah, it's a number 2, and this is what the wig looks like. It's like, I didn't put any glue on the wig when I'm installing the wig because, you know, I have to protect my edges. You know, I'm all for edges here, and I'm not trying to, and me, when I get home, I want the wig off my head, okay? So I just put my wigs on. I don't use glue or anything like that. So there's like clips at the back of the wig, and you just clip it and you just put it on and go. You know, I really like it. I think it's really cute. So stay tuned, you guys. I'm gonna show you how I install this wig. And my lashes, it's from my store -27. So if you guys are trying to grab your lashes, I'll leave all the details in the description below. My website is www.dash27.com, and this lash, it's called Dash Diva. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So you guys stay tuned. Let's get right into the video. I'm going to show you all how I install this wig. And don't forget, you guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell and leave a comment in the comment section below, you guys. Talk to me, let me know the type of videos you want to see, and also let me know what you think of this wig. Like, I am feeling this wig. Let me know if you are feeling this wig, okay?
So tell me, who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight? Who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight? touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight, tonight? Touch you like I do. Who's gonna love you like I do tonight, tonight? So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight, tonight? Like I do. So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight, tonight? Who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do?